question was, do we have helpful tips for people that are only here 6 months out of the year? So you're the type of people that really need drought tolerant stuff. You are the ones that I recommend yuccas to, succulents, the red yucca, the brake lights yucca, all of those will do great for you. And they have great flowers.
And they go through the winter?
They will go through the winter. If they're newly planted, for you, I would definitely plant in the springtime. So you have time to establish stuff a little bit better. You still need a little bit of moisture in the wintertime. So if you have a gardener, I would have them check once a month to just make sure things are moist. We have months where we don't, winter's kind of our driest period, except for last winter. We had a lot of rain last winter, snow and everything else. The year before, we were super dry. We didn't see anything from September till January. We got 3 inches in January, we got a little bit in March, and that was it. So it's really important to winter water. But you can do it as long as you have somebody on top of it, or come up once a month, you know?
Right, I can come up with a couple. I wondered about frequency.
Yeah.
And I do have everything on drip, but we do have landscapers that turn it off in the winter so the pipes don't freeze.
Yeah.
So again, a couple times a month might be sufficient.
Yeah. And her question was, is her landscapers turn her system off, which most of them will, because we do get cold. So winter watering is something that you don't water like you do in the summer. Your plants that lose their leaves are pretty much dormant. The idea of that is we're just kind of keeping that root base moist. We don't want it to dry out. So twice a month on everything that you plant, you're going to water thoroughly. And that's the same with trees, shrubs, and all that. Twice a month is plenty. And that'll keep them healthy and growing. Your evergreens are really important to water twice a month.